believe in the green hydrogen and also believe in the capacities of our country and for the human capacities of our youth, because that's really what it will take to make this together, is the people of Morocco and using the resources of Morocco to make this dream become a reality.
Power to X means, so the power is the energy, and X, it depends on the use. That's why it's X. So it's power to hydrogen, it's power to ammonia, it's power to methanol, you name it.
It's about water and how to use the water to make energy, but the transformation is quite complicated. But I think the way to go about it is to be very simple and say that this is the way to have clean energy production for the future.
Yes, it's simply getting the green electron from green energy and transform it to a green molecule in a whole system that utilizes also the whole value chain and promotes the localization as well for Morocco.
So this is the concept of power to X. So for us as a research-oriented university, we have a lot of areas of interest, and one of the main interests are in the area of energy.
We should have as an input, the development of our countries, the energy security, planet protections, and also sustainable development goals. When you take all of these topics on the table, we should try to find, the good methodology in order to implement high-level projects that can have impacts to our population, that can enable us to have access to electricity for everybody, and also reduce the cost of production.
Well, I think Morocco is going very fast. You have a lot of ongoing projects like this World PtX Summit and the projects in clean hydrogen and developing your energy grids and all that. And I believe that in Finland, we also have a lot of know-how and technologies in linking to sustainable development and green energy. So I think there are ways to collaborate together.
Put all the strengths for the African strengths on the table and giving the opportunity to these young populations, to implement high-level projects and having good governance. And I think if we do this, we will be very successful. But all of this, we can do it together. As African countries, we should go together, working on it with our young people, our strengths. For sure, we will, inshallah, make it happen.
Exactly, it would have to be a change of a mindset. It does not stop at the technology, at the innovation, at the execution of the project. I mean, we have to build a generation that trusts on green products, on green energy, and also the efficiency on the consumption. So this is a whole mindset change that we need to really transfer generation after generation.
We need to train a new generation of operators, of engineers to handle this new technology.